The Little Flower Giver. Once in a small village, there lived a little girl named Lily. She had a heart as big as the world itself, and an infectious giggle that could make anyone smile. Every day, Lily would visit the local park, where she would pick wild flowers and share them with the people she met. One day, Lily noticed an elderly man sitting alone on a bench, looking a bit downcast. Without hesitation, she approached him and handed him a vibrant bouquet of wild flowers. The man's face lit up, and he thanked Lily for her kind gesture. From that day forward, Lily's simple act of kindness became a village tradition. She continued to spread joy through her wildflower bouquets, teaching everyone that even a little girl could make the world a brighter place.